Here's a TURNPRO 7x12 bandsaw. We're powered up just to show you that it does operate. It's a 3-speed geared head. You can shift on the fly, more speeds. Tested the coolant pump. Coolant pump operates fine. Got a hydraulic down feed as you let the head down right here. This little tab here shuts the machine off. Okay, we would have had it a little bit higher, however, this trunnion here, it's cracked, so that will have to be repaired or replaced. Okay, we had to take off the tension spring. Okay, that goes right here, and there is a small hairline crack right here in the main casing. Doesn't seem to go all the way up. It's just in an area probably 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch. Other than that, the machine's in really good condition. It includes 4 casters, 2 axles.